And I think similar to your to your answer, Julian. So where you guys are focusing more on the platform side and enablement and the stuff around it. If we look at it from a Nexus Data perspective and the consultancy stuff we do, so we typically also work with customers where they're either on this journey where they've made the investment or going planning this investment on their platform,
Yeah.
and where we're seeing success is where they think about this a bit deeper than just I want a platform because it's going to enable X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
They are seeing it as an ecosystem towards creating value. So in the organizations, and this makes it easier for them to justify the investment, because now if they plan, they're going to spend a couple of $1 million on a platform, they know outright that these are the things in business that I'm going to solve for, which is going to translate to this value, and that value will either then be determinate or indeterminate, which means that you're either going to measure it from a dollar and a cents perspective, or it's going to be certain things that you will need as fundamental building blocks. So we're seeing a lot of success in companies that's going down that route where they have a bit more sustainability around the investments.